Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 3.3, Problem 23. This is Section 3.3, Problem 23. It says Megan notices that the gas at one gas station is $3.84 per gallon for regular gas. At another gas station, the price is $3.51 per gallon for regular gas. How much more does it cost to buy a gallon of gas from the first gas station? So what I need to do is subtract those two numbers. So the price at the first gas station is 3.84. And at the second gas station, it's less. It's 3.51. And I want to subtract those numbers so I'll see what the difference in cost is. Now, when I write a subtraction for anything with decimals, I want to make sure that the decimals line up vertically. And in this case, they do. So I can go ahead and subtract. 4 minus 1 is 3. 8 minus 5 is also 3. The decimal comes straight down. And then 3 minus 3 just cancels off. Or you can put in a 0 if you like. So the answer is 0.33. Now, since this is a word problem and involves some units of measure, which in this case is dollars, our answer should be stated with those correct units of measure. So the answer is $0.33. That's the difference in price from the two gas stations. Now, because it's money, you can put $0.33 or $0.33, or if you prefer, I would probably just write 33 cents. That's the same answer, different units. Either one would be okay.